All right, that's all good things to know because a lot of people have fallen victim to things like that. But other good things for us to know tonight is you're going to have a messy morning commute. You didn't know where I was going with that, but I had a plan.
There we go. Yeah,
things to watch out for.
Yeah, it could be messy for some. We just got some new model data in, which actually may have a little bit of good news for those in the morning commute, which we'll touch on here. But first, yeah, huge blob of rain on the radar right now. Thankfully, no severe weather and no immediate flash flood warnings in our area. There are a few back across the Tulsa area and across east central Oklahoma, but for us, really not too bad. But that doesn't mean there aren't pockets of some very heavy rainfall moving through parts of Benton County, heavier downpours now Sebastian into Scott County, Logan County as well. And this rainfall is going to stick around. Now, it will be probably shorter in duration for Northwest Arkansas as opposed to the River Valley, which should see quite a bit of rain for quite a bit of time as well, which we'll show you here in the hour by hour. But as I said, no flood watches or anything like that to worry about, as well as severe thunderstorm watches. Those have also just been canceled for parts of eastern Oklahoma as the severe threat has now really fizzled out. But it's wet no matter where you look. Rain coming down in low. I-49 is wet. We got temperatures in Northwest Arkansas, upper 60s to around 70. There's the Garrison Bridge in Fort Smith as well. Lots of rainfall there. The car's dealing with some of that rainfall. We got temperatures in the upper 60s as well in the River Valley. Big picture shows that system. Kind of two things happening here. You've got a thunderstorm complex that's colliding with this boundary that's creating additional rainfall. So everybody's seeing the rain. Basically, you get east of Oklahoma City, the entire state of Oklahoma seeing the raindrops. All of that still has to move through our area over the next couple of hours. Now, this is new data I'm showing you. This system starts to roll through as we go through the overnight. Notice the pockets of heavier rainfall here. But once we get on the other side of midnight, models are saying, well, now maybe in Northwest Arkansas, some of this may end a little sooner than we thought, but still sticks around for a couple of hours in the River Valley. There could be one final leg of shower activity for the morning rush as this boundary makes its passage, and then the real front comes through by the afternoon and evening. That's the real cold front. Behind it, that's fall. Big time taste of fall as we get into Friday. Still worried about a little bit of excessive rainfall tonight. That's rainfall that creates flash flooding for the most part, because many of us could see totals when everything is said and done, 1, 2, maybe as much as 3 inches across the entire area. Lows tonight into the 60s, and then our highs rebounding. I think this is a little rambunctious for the models. It all depends on how quickly the sun comes out tomorrow. If we stay cloudy for most of the day, we will not reach these numbers, most likely. And it's going to continue to be cool. Look at Friday, upper 60s, upper 50s by Saturday. We could wake up, temperature Saturday morning, upper 30s. Winds will be gusting 20 miles an hour. Wind chills will be in the upper 20s. It'll feel like December. And the weekend stays chilly, no matter what. If you got outdoor plans, it'll be a cold run for the race between Bentonville, the square-to-square run this weekend. Could be very chilly. Lots of sunshine, though, to kick off the next work week with temperatures starting to moderate. River Valley, pretty much the same thing. Wet for your Thursday morning commute. Still a severe morning as of now. Then sunshine and cooler temperatures as we head into the weekend and next week. Stay with us. Hog hoops were in action tonight. Meredith Mulkey was there. She's got all the deets after the break.